Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? Today I will show you the best way you can cook your potato, and if you want to know how I prepare this, stay tuned to the end of this video. So my lovely people, I will start by peeling out the backs of the potatoes, as you can see. So continue watching. So at this stage, I'm done peeling out the backs. Next is to slice it into 4 pieces. After cutting it into 4 pieces, next I will still divide it into 2 pieces, as you have seen. You can also cut yours to any size you like. Yeah, I will also advise, to achieve this recipe, you have to cut yours into a smaller pieces so that you will achieve a good result. So keep watching. So at this stage, I'm done cutting the potatoes to the size I need. Next is to wash it and start boiling it. Yeah. So guys, after I transfer the potatoes into pot to boil, next is to add amount of water to cook it, enough water that will cook the potatoes, and then add salt to taste. Then cover it and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So next is to go ahead and chop my onions and my garlic with ginger, some gingers. Yeah, and for the onions, you see I use 1 large onions, and for the ginger and the garlic is optional, but I will advise you use it because it will give it a special taste. So continue watching, and after then I will go ahead and wash it and chop everything into tiny pieces. You can also blend it if you decide. So at this stage, we are going to check the boiled potatoes, and as you can see, it's not yet done. It has been boiling for 10 minutes now. It's still hard, so I will let it to boil again for 5 minutes. Keep watching. So it's 5 minutes later, and here is the potato is ready. So the next is to filter out the water, as you can see. Yeah. After that, the next is to transfer a frying pan on a fire, and for this recipe I'm using olive oil, so I will add the amount of olive oil I need. You can also use any cooking oil of your choice. At this stage, I will go ahead and add in the chopped onions and ginger, and start frying it. So keep watching. Next is to quickly give it a quick stir, and I'm going to fry this for 20 seconds. Yeah, and as that is going on, I will go ahead and slice some tomatoes. Yeah. So after cutting the tomatoes, I will quickly add it in a frying pan and give it a quick mix. Fry everything together, as you can see. So keep watching. So at this stage, I will go ahead and add some chili powders and some black pepper. After adding it to my taste, I will quickly give it a quick stir. So keep watching. At this stage, I will go ahead and add my bell peppers. Yeah, for the recipe I use some bell peppers, and for the sake of the video I skipped when I was slicing them because I don't want the video to be too long. Then after adding it in, you also add in your Maggi seasonings, any Maggi seasonings of your choice. As for me, the only Maggi seasonings I use is Maggi chicken and Maggi cow browns. So keep watching, guys. So after making sure that the veggies are well seasoned, the next is to transfer the boiled potatoes inside the frying pan and mix everything together. Yeah. So guys, after mixing, I will go ahead and add some eggs, and I'm using 4 large eggs for this recipe. Yeah. At this stage, I will go ahead and pour in the egg and cover it, allow it to fry for like 15 seconds. Keep watching. 15 seconds later, I will gently give it a quick stir so that it doesn't get burnt on the fire. Yeah, and cover it again, allow it to fry for more 15 seconds. So keep watching. So my beautiful people, before I forget, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I welcome you on Mama What's Up channel. So if you are new to my channel, please let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you. God bless you. So at this stage, I'm just garnishing it with some broccoli. Yeah, I will let it to simmer for 10 to 15 seconds and the food is ready. So yummy and delicious. Guys, I promise you, if you try this recipe, you will not regret it. This recipe is so healthy, it's so delicious, mouth-watering. Your children will love it, your auntie will love it, your uncle will love it, your husband will love it, your wife will love it. This is a special recipe. Give it a try and a trial will convince you. At this stage, the potato is ready. Yeah, you can see how yummy, delicious it's looking. Oh my goodness. You can enjoy this recipe any time of the day. You are good to go. So my wonderful people, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao.